Welcome. Today we'll learn how to divide 15 by 20 using long division. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's set up our long division problem. We'll write 20 as our divisor and 15 as our dividend under the division symbol. Now we need to determine how many times 20 goes into 15. Since 20 is larger than 15, we know that 15 divided by 20 will be less than 1. When dividing a smaller number by a larger number, we'll get a decimal answer. Let's add a decimal point and a 0 after 15 to continue our division. Now we have 15.0 divided by 20. To find the first decimal place, we multiply 20 by 0.7, which gives us 14. 15 minus 14 equals 1. We bring down our 0 and continue dividing. 10 divided by 20 equals 0.5. 20 times 0.5 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Therefore, 15 divided by 20 equals 0.75. This means that 15 is 75% of 20. We can verify our answer by multiplying 0.75 times 20. 0.75 times 20 equals 15, confirming our answer is correct.